What kind of face cream should you use with DIY air dry clay or cold porcelain clay? I use Equate Beauty Dry Skin Facial Cream, or you can use a name brand like Pond's Dry Face Cream. Equate Beauty Dry Skin Facial Cream is bought at Walmart. Why use dry face cream? Because of the ingredients. These 4 ingredients make cold porcelain clay really moist: mineral oil, palm oil, glycerin, and cannella wax. Can you use regular hand lotion with air dry clay or cold porcelain clay? No. Yeah, that's going to be a no for me. Unless your hand lotion has the 4 ingredients listed earlier. Equate Beauty Dry Skin Face Cream is the best cream to use with DIY air dry clay or cold porcelain clay. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.